Ukraine visa. How to get it in Dubai. Step 1. Visit VFS Global Ukraine, UAE website to check the required documents you have to prepare. The checklist is available for free. Required documents. Online visa application form, print a copy for submission. 1 recent colored photograph, white background and not older than 6 months, 4.5 cm x 3.5 cm in width. No objection letter, NOC, from employer or sponsor. Proof of travel, round-trip flight reservation, provisional or confirmed. Proof of accommodation, confirmed hotel booking, in a confirmation letter from the hotel, on official letterhead, and stamped. Online booking sites such as Booking.com or Airbnb will not be accepted. Medical cover, travel insurance. The policy should provide a minimum of €30,000 or equivalent coverage and includes you. Proof of financial means, up-to-date 3 months original bank statement, originally stamped, amount of $100 per day is considered sufficient. Passport, valid for at least 6 months from the date of submission, issued within the previous 10 years and with at least 2 blank visa pages. UAE residence visa, it must be valid for at least 3 months from the date of application submission. Ukraine and other visas, copies of previous Ukraine visas and valid USA, Japanese, Schengen, UK and, or Canada visas must be provided. Step 2. Fill up the online application form. You will have to enter your passport, residence visa, flight and hotel booking details. Register at https://visa.mfa.gov.ua for the application form. The information required in the form is very similar to a Schengen visa application form. Step 3. Visit VFS Global Center to lodge your application. There is no need to secure an appointment. Pay the required visa and processing fees. Step 4. Wait for updates. You will receive SMS and emails regarding your application. You can also track your application through VFS Global website. Step 5. Collect your passport with the visa. Check the spellings before leaving. The processing time for the application is approximately 10 to 15 working days. This period may be extended up to 30 working days if additional checks are necessary.